Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great start of your weekend so far. And welcome back to a new video on Hedera or HBAR. Wanted to do a video on that. I know there's quite a few of you who hold and own or trade Hedera or HBAR. I'll just call it HBAR in this video. But apart from that, there also wasn't too much to make a video on. So I wanted to make a video on this. I've been looking into some trades on HBAR, and I do think I have a pretty clear opinion on this. Whether that opinion is the correct one or not, we'll see. All right, I'm not sure. That's the risk of trading. But I'll tell you about it, and we'll just talk about the different scenarios from here. I do want to mention before we dive into Hedera specifically that I have my own premium trading group as well. If you didn't know, in which you gain access to an exclusive chat room full of traders, very valuable. You gain access to my trading guide for free. And you gain access to all of my trades. And I'm a profitable full-time trader, so if you are interested in that and you want to become a better trader yourself as well, then check out those links down in the description or the pinned comment. But now onto Hedera. So like I said in my last update as well, on Hedera, it is manipulated, or at least it was very manipulated. Like at least like if you take a look at these moves, this perhaps was not too manipulated, but this move for sure, and this second bullish move also for sure. All right, so very manipulated. There was no, I like Hedera a lot, but there was no clear reason for a move like this. So yeah, that is what happened. So now what we're seeing is that the price is calming down a bit. Volatility is dropping down. Volume is also dropping down rapidly. Like only in the last 24 hours, it has dropped down 37%, which also has to do with the weekend. But it's also a sign of less manipulation, even though there's still a lot of volume coming from manipulated exchanges. But that doesn't matter. But that does mean that usually, like if you assume that right now we're actually getting back into some sort of a bearish market structure with the entire crypto market, there's quite a lot of downsides for HBAR. Like the levels we were at before all of this, when Bitcoin was actually still higher, was around 5 cents. And right now we're still at 5.8 cents. So I actually do think that if the manipulation really stops, which is something you cannot really predict, then I do expect more bearish momentum. And the big thing that's holding us up right now is this 200 EMA. Around really 5.8 cents, so 0.058. So at this point of time, it looks most likely that we will, or that HBAR will drop down below that level, after which we'll drop down to this major, there's still quite a strong support level right here at 5.6 cents. So HBAR will drop down there. That looks most likely right now, but if HBAR is not able to break above 5.8 and 5.9 cents after finding support at 5.6, so for example, we get up there and HBAR gets rejected, then I do think it's most likely that HBAR has gotten into some sort of a bearish market structure, and that it's most likely to drop down to 5.3 and 5 cents in the long term, or at least in the next month or so, because it's probably not going to be a huge crash. So this, at this point in time, actually looks most likely. Now, because of the manipulation we have seen with HBAR, and that looks to be something that just keeps on returning, there are no guarantees, right? The only way in which I would assume that the manipulation is over right now is if Bitcoin really keeps being bearish, because usually you see that if the market gets more and more bearish, manipulation does tone down a little bit. So if HBAR is from this support level at 5.6 cents, if HBAR is able to get a bullish breakout above 5.9 cents right here, then it's going to be bullish, and we can still get up to 6.3 and perhaps even all the way up to 6.6 very easily. All right, so this is a possibility. I would just argue at this point of time, given the circumstances, that this is less likely than this. So yeah, that's my analysis and that's my take on HBAR for now. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.